Person can be adjective, adverb or noun. In this grammar tip, we will focus on its function as noun, as that is where most of us get confused whether to treat it as singular or plural. As noun, person means a part in every 100. If it refers to one thing, we use a singular verb with it. If it refers to multiple things, then a plural verb. In simple words, the verb will depend on the object of preposition of that follows person. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. The report says 50% of the project is complete. As per information, 50% of the employees are absent today. Just 20% of the budget has been spent this fiscal. About 80% of the matches have been won by our team. In sentences number 1 and 3, project and budget are singular nouns, so the verbs following the two are singular too. Whereas in sentences number 2 and 4, employees and matches are plural nouns, so verbs too are plural. The problem with verb generally arises in the following sentences. Of all employees, 60% are not willing to work extra. My mother baked a huge cake. Within no time, 90% was gone. In such sentences, we just need to focus on the nouns person is referring back to and then decide the verb. In the first sentence, we are talking about employees, a countable plural noun. Therefore, verb to is plural. In the second sentence, the cake is countable singular noun. Therefore, verb is singular. Opting for percent and percentage can also be a problem. Let's end this confusion as well. We use percent with specific numbers like 30%, 50%, 60%, etc. But percentage can be any part of the whole. We use percentage to talk about size like a large percentage, a small percentage, etc. Whether the percentage will be singular or plural will solely depend on the object of preposition of following it. Let's see some examples. A small percentage of people were present in the meeting. A large percentage of tourists prefer guided tours. The percentage of skilled workers is small. The percentage of male employees is quite high. In the last two sentences, article the makes percentage definite, so it's treated as singular, irrespective of a plural noun. So friends, that's it in this grammar tip. I hope you liked the information that I shared with you today. I'll be back with you soon with some more useful information from the world of grammar. Till then, keep learning, keep improving. Goodbye.